forecast looking pretty good for New Year's Eve in the Triad this year. Should be pretty seasonable, about what you'd expect. Upper 40s to near 50 in the afternoon, which is right around our average high. We're looking mostly sunny, dry. Of course, temperatures will fall a bit as we go later into the night, so just have a jacket if you're headed out to any New Year's Eve parties, get-togethers, celebrations. It'll be a little chilly by the time the ball drops, but have that jacket and you should be just fine. Today, our weather not quite as pleasant. A big, strong cold front passing through. Today is a weather impact day because of our potential for some very strong wind gusts and a high fire danger across the area as well. The Triad could have some 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts this afternoon, while out west in the mountains and foothills, we could be talking 50 to 60-mile-per-hour gusts, and those strong winds with the low humidity creates a high fire danger across the entire area. So no burning today. A pretty dynamic weather system moving through and impacting really much of the eastern U.S. We've got some ice up here in parts of New England, gusty winds and lake effect snow for the Great Lakes region and parts of the Northeast, while down here to the south, that strong cold front bringing a few scattered light showers. We saw that this morning, but most of the rain now starting to exit into central and eastern North Carolina. We're all beginning to dry out. Some folks, especially in the foothills, even seeing some good sunshine right now. But what is beginning to move in behind this cold front are those gusty winds. Winds have shifted and are now out of the west and northwest, and they're starting to pick up. We're seeing sustained winds of about 10 to 25 miles per hour in some locations, and the gusts are even higher. Check this out. Just clocked a 54-mile-per-hour gust in Galax, Virginia, a 48-mile-per-hour gust in Jefferson. Starting to see some more 20 and 30-mile-per-hour gusts across much of the area. So going to be a windy Monday afternoon. The Triad could be looking at some 30 to 40-mile-per-hour gusts at times. The breeze will die down just a bit overnight tonight, but it stays windy up in the mountains all the way through the rest of today, tonight, and even into Tuesday morning. 50 to 60-mile-per-hour gusts possible up there for the high country before everyone's wind speeds start to die down a bit as we get later and later into Tuesday. No surprise, wind alerts have been issued for the mountains and foothills, a high wind warning for the mountains and a wind advisory for the foothills. This goes all the way until noon tomorrow. Scattered power outages, a couple downed trees, possible up that way in our northern and western areas. Here at home, not expecting wind damage, but it could make for some erratic fire behavior, so don't throw cigarette butts out the windows, no bonfires, burn piles, anything like that today. Winds are too strong. A red flag warning has been issued for much of the area until later this evening because of those strong gusty winds and that low humidity. Another aspect of this are our temperatures. The temperatures are going to start to fall. We're in the mid and upper 50s right now, but that's about as warm as we're going to get today. Look for temperatures to fall through the 40s and then eventually into the 30s later on this evening. We should have a good amount of sunshine today, but winds will be strong and temperatures get colder. We could be looking at wind chills in the 20s for much of the area by Monday evening. Up in the mountains, winds are even stronger and temperatures are even colder, down into the low 20s by later on this evening. Wind chills will likely wake up feeling like the teens on Tuesday morning, so a cold start to the day tomorrow. We'll only make it to near 40 tomorrow afternoon, but the breeze stays with us, so it should feel more like the 20s and 30s for much of our Tuesday. A quick cool down as those temperatures fall later on today. Wednesday and Thursday, as I mentioned, we're back up closer to normal with highs around 50. Looking mainly dry for the first couple days of January. Next chance of rain comes Saturday.